Yes, a flying drone, a car, a drone. What is it? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We're going to fly this drone. We're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to show you a little bit about it. It's all about chopper image, fly and drive drone. Here it is right here in action. I love this little thing. It's a great beginner drone for kids. Fantastic. It won't hurt anybody and it works great. All right, let's get to the video. Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today we're looking at a chopper image fly and drive drone. So that's kind of interesting. You get to fly it, you get to drive it. It's got some blade protectors on it. So it's really a cool little idea. So maximum range, 250 feet. Maximum altitude, 100 feet. That's what it says. So basically it has this LED lights, USB charging, and rechargeable batteries. I think the rechargeable batteries included in the device itself. Do a quick unboxing, take a look at it together, and see what we have. Okay, so what's in the box? Let's see. Okay, so what we have in the box is extra propellers, which is important. Looks like a USB charger. Yep, USB charger. This powers the drone, I believe. Let's see if this is okay. It just pops out. All right, so that's all you have to worry about with that. That's easy enough. First impressions, extremely lightweight. That's number one, which is kind of cool. I guess that's important. It's got little wheels. It's got a little motor. You can feel this little motor back here. So this actually drives. Looks like you plug it in back here to charge it. So you can drive it and fly it. I mean, think about that, right? This is like the flying car, right? That's cool. Put that there. And let's get the remote out. Let's see what this says. Okay, let's get this all out of the way. Okay, so we have the drone here, as you can see here. So it's a nice drone. It's got cool. It's got the propeller guards, which is nice. So I don't have to worry about really, hurting anybody or hurting any of the furniture in the house. So you can definitely use this indoors. Should be pretty safe. It's very lightweight. Again, the battery is on board. It's got the power button right here, on and off power button. Oh, it looks like it's already charged a little bit. You got some blinking lights going on here. That's cool. And let's see the remote control. Okay, read instructions, visit website, yada yada. And let's just pull that puppy right off. We know what that means. Basically fly it. So it looks like it has up and down, left and right. Okay, you got your spin and your trim, it says here. You got your align and landing. Plug it in. Let's see, you plug it in. Charge time approximately 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. And the flight time, from what I saw before, it wasn't much. Just to let you know, I think you get like 4 or 5 minutes out of it. Not much at all, but that's kind of a bummer, but that's just the way it is. This is, it is a beginner drone, more of a toy. Okay guys, got a quick screwdriver here. I'm just gonna pop these batteries in real quick. Show you how to do that. I like when they have screws on here because it protects them from the kids. That's important. And you want to put 4 AA batteries right here. And make sure you put them in the correct way, because if you don't, it won't work. Charge it up. I'm just going to see real quickly. So I did a quick look on the instructions. So you get 6 minutes of fly time, which is kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. 6 minutes is 6 minutes. Let me just see if I can get at least a drive a little bit. Okay, so now it's, whoa. Okay, cool. A little wheels turn. Check this out. So when I left and right for the wheels, okay, backwards and forwards for the car. So that's cool. And to take off, you hit this one here. And this takes off. See that? Well, we won't take off yet. We're gonna fully charge it, and then we'll have this. I guess we'll see what happens. It's kind of cool. Landing and take off. It's got the power button. So let's shut this down. I got the remote ready to go. So for the car feature, you just have to move it forward and backwards. And that's pretty much this stick right here. You can see it, and then left and right turns it. So you can go forward and turn right. Back it up. So it's got that car feature, no question about it. It really is kind of cool. I like it. I mean, it's just fun to drive it around, which is very interesting. Cool. And then if you want a drone, if you want to fly, you just basically lift up this side here. And fly it. Just like that. All right, this is pretty fun. So you get about 6 minutes of flying time, just so you know. As far as driving, probably about a little bit more for driving. Doesn't use as much power, but definitely the drone takes a lot of power. actually pretty stable. Not bad. And then when you're done flying, you can drive. Just like that. Okay guys, that means battery is exhausted. So I've got about 6 minutes of flying it. So you can see it tells you that it needs to be charged. Okay, that's it for me. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Leave some likes down below and some comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome drone videos. This is okay, a little hard to control, but not bad for a flying drone car. Cool. All right, see you at the next one and watch these other drone videos right here.